we ought to overdub a track with Bobby playing. He can really wail.
Give him a few minutes. They're working on it. I spoke with the label today. They figure you got at least 3 singles on this one. They want you to come out to the coast next week.
Excellent.
Not bad for a little girl from Hong Kong.
What brings you here, Wayne?
I had to tell Cassandra something.
Yeah?
Yeah. Last night, I had a dream. We're gonna put on a concert in Aurora.
That's a great idea.
Yeah, it's a festival.
Festival?
The festival. You heard the man.
It's charming. What's it called?
What's it called? It's called, Waynestock. It's called Waynestock.
Waynestock.
Who's gonna be at Waynestock?
Aerosmith and Pearl Jam.
Who else?
Me. And Wayne. And
Van Halen.
wow, Van Halen. Who else?
Yeah. Who else?
An old man fashioning a kayak out of a log.
What?
No, Rip Taylor. Rip Taylor's gonna be there.
Ah.
Rip Taylor? He's a god in my country. He can't walk the streets without getting mobbed.
Oh, that's great, because he's gonna be there. So, and, I thought maybe you could play too?
I would be honored.
I wouldn't commit just yet. You got some real gigs coming up. Real gigs.
Real gigs? Well, ixnay on the condescensione there, Chet. Yeah.
Bobby, can I ask you a question?
What is it, Garth?
A sphincter says what? I said, a sphincter says what?
You want me to say what? Like, I don't get it. Is that it? Is that it?
Oh, dear. Last guy didn't get. Okay, last guy didn't get. You big. We small. So we better go.